And I looked at her, I worked with her too, because if you go to emergency, you understand where the caregivers sleep, isn't it? Yeah. And she wakes up from there, has the courage to come to school, sit down in her predicament, and nobody appreciates her. She's like a daughter to me. He said, okay, are you doing any training for anything? He said, no, I'm gifted. Can you paint? He said, I painted myself. She got a job right there. 800,000 naira to paint fingernails. Creativity is key. So God works through teachers. So when I heard that your slogan,
teachers are great.
Alright, so if you deliver it well, you create agents that will change the world. If you don't, you create deviants, you create monsters, you create low graders. So creativity extends learning. It guarantees that the growth of the learner is solely around where you want it to house. In this state, an Akpanuko child is the second best Android developer. He wrote jam last 2 years. I don't know whether TikTok has that jam. I saw a parent brought a child and told me, give her inputs. And the child was shaking. And I said, okay, so what course you want her to read? He said accounting. I said, with this score, she can't read accounting. The only course we can put her is actuarial science, insurance, and there is a lot of mathematics there. His head was shaking it. And when the father looked back, I realized there's a problem. So I took over. I said, okay, sir, if you want admission for her in insurance, I'm giving. But I don't know why you hate her so much. It will have 1.6. 7 courses have a tier 7. You pass only 5. They do. You see, I don't understand what it is. I don't like that song. Okay, what do you want to read? Music. How? How do I convince a parent who wanted a child to be a professional accountant to move from accounting to business? Like in my madness, I gave her 75 for my young one, and I said if I do that, I can pacify her. Not knowing that she has made up her mind. When the next admission came, it came with an admission letter. And I got an admission letter without my help. Without me pursuing it, going from one office to the other, it is happening in music department. I never came. Sheepishly at the front seat. And when the young daughter came, I saw someone stand up to clap. I said, oh, dear parents, I'm going to get reforms. I said, would you have enjoyed if she had bowed out in insurance with a day class and come home to sit down? I want work. So, help the child to fly. Because educators must help me to understand how I fit, to build skills so I can contribute and drive in this rapidly changing world. That is what they want.